Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best microwave, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best microwave options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which microwave is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned to the end. Let's get started. Number 1. GEGCST07N1. The GEGCST07N1 is a bit shorter, shallower, and narrower than any other compact microwave we tested. It's sturdier too, though the cavity is wide enough for only a medium-sized dinner plate. This microwave didn't cook as evenly or precisely as our top pick, but it was faster than similarly sized models with higher wattage, and it has convenient Instant Start Express settings. It is available in 3 finishes and a version that you can mount under a cabinet. Number 2. Panasonic HomeChef Connect 4-in-1 Multi-Doven NNCV87QS. The Panasonic HomeChef Connect 4-in-1 Multi-Doven NNCV87QS combines microwaving, fan-assisted convection baking, broiling, and air frying in one sleek stainless steel machine. It's a nice option for a tiny kitchen or as a temporary replacement for an oven. It microwaved as well as our top pick in our tests. Like other combination microwaves though, it can't brown or crisp foods as effectively or quickly as a traditional oven or air fryer toaster oven. But its hidden baking element, in contrast to most other combination microwaves, which have an exposed element, seems to improve results, and it's easier to clean. The HomeChef Connect 4-in-1 Multi-Doven also provided the most support for learning how to use the admittedly complicated machine. Triady, a recipe app, can also connect to the microwave via Wi-Fi, so that you could monitor timers or change a handful of settings remotely. Number 3. Daewoo 5-in-1 Air Fryer and Microwave. Why have multiple appliances when this 5-in-1 microwave from Daewoo does it all? This is one of the easiest to use microwaves I've tested, and with 28 cooking presets, you won't have to guess the timings. Instead, select the option, sit back and wait for your perfectly cooked meal. Its large size means you need quite a lot of counter space for it to fit, but when you consider the number of appliances you can replace with this microwave, it's a good trade-off. The microwave function works incredibly well. It's powerful yet eco-efficient, and its large capacity means ingredients are evenly cooked. It has 10 different power settings so you can tailor it to what you're cooking, so nothing will come out under or overcooked. The control panel is simple to use. Cleaning is easy too. Just wipe it clean once you've finished using it to remove any condensation and to ensure any food splatters don't stick. It comes with a handy baking tray and crisper basket, which are also easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. Number 4. Salter Toronto Microwave. The Salter Toronto microwave will look good in any kitchen. Its sleek black design with wooden highlights makes this one of the best looking microwaves we've tested. But it's not all about the looks. It performs well too. With a 20L capacity, it's big enough for standard dinner plates. Although if you regularly microwave larger meals, you may want to consider a larger size. It has a clear control panel, and the buttons are easy to see and use. There are also 8 auto-cooking functions for common dishes including pasta, fish, meat, potato, and pizza. You have to learn which number goes with what food, but the instruction leaflet provides a handy table. This microwave is pretty quiet, but the beeps when your food is done are loud enough that you can hear them from another room. It's easy to keep clean, and the turntable is removable for easy washing. This microwave did a good job of cooking food, and it was great at defrosting. Number 5. Galanz GLC MK07B07 Retro. As far as we're concerned, style is as important as quality in countertop microwaves. Because the appliance will be visible to you and your guests, it must look sleek and clean, rather than ugly and archaic. Enter the Galanz Retro Microwave, a bright-colored device with a chrome handle on the door that looks pretty and can perfectly cook food. Not only can you customize the color and choose between a more modern or classic look, but Galanz also offers 3 sizes to accommodate daily microwave needs. A rotating glass turntable keeps the temperature consistent. Still, Galanz has also enhanced the product with adjustable power levels, a child safety lock, and a defrost option that works. If you want a traditional-looking microwave, our top pick is the better choice than this retro design. Number 6. Toshiba EM131A5C-BS. The Toshiba EM131A5C-BS is the best microwave we've tested if you're looking for great value. This medium-sized 1100-watt microwave can heat food faster than some models with similar price and power. It features essential functions such as quick start programs, a defrost mode, and presets for specific foods including popcorn. This model is also equipped with a steam sensor, which allows the microwave to detect steam and automatically adjust the cooking time for some programs. It's easy to see inside the cooking chamber when the door is closed. You can also mute the controls, all for a budget-friendly price. Then again, if you prefer a microwave with a button instead of a handle for opening the door or find that design easier to keep clean, the Panasonic NN-SN67HS is a good option, albeit a slightly more expensive one with similar features. Number 7. Panasonic HomeChef NNCD87KS. We love a hybrid that will save you money and space, and Panasonic's 4-in-1 HomeChef is a pricey but worthwhile investment. Featuring an air fryer, convection bake, broiler, and microwave, you can cook practically anything in this sleek, large-capacity unit that has garnered thousands of 5-star reviews from Amazon alone. What also separates this model from the pack is its ability to transform from countertop microwave use to a built-in with the purchase of a trim kit. This versatility allows it to travel easily if and when you move. With a stainless steel exterior, it should vibe with the most contemporary kitchen decor,